I don't use this for under there.
Oops.
No way. It's Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video guys, today's video is just a very simple video. There's nothing extravagant about it.
What?
It's just video doing how I make my wax. So I'll show you guys the ingredients that you need guys. It's the lemon. The sugar that I'm using is the light brown. Right now here, it's a light brown sugar. Just don't use white sugar, and I will show you in the end how I use it. You know, maybe here or maybe in my armpits. I don't know which. I decide later on where I'm gonna use it for. It's nice if you have a fresh lemon. I don't know. I don't know. I never tried lime, but I think you can use lime. I think lime is also good for whitening. You know, this one guys, it's this one why we use a lemon, because lemon is part of the whitening. If you have a like me that I have a kind of, you know, dark skin armpit, and it helps. And waxing also, it's a big help of getting rid of your hair slowly, because I noticed that to myself, because my armpits before was really like the area of my armpits is a lot of hair. So I've been just continuously doing waxing all the time. I let it grow. Don't wax while your hair is very small. You know, it grow really small. You have to make it grow that the wax can grab it when you pull it. Okay, let's do this sugar. I'm gonna do the sugar. We're gonna do 3 teaspoons of sugar. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I have 3 teaspoons right here. Okay. Okay, so it's right here. This is the sugar. And let me put this sugar back to where it belongs. And then, if you're using this kind of lemon, you have to mix it. Oh guys, I forgot guys. I forgot that I have the lemon I got from H Mart. This is the calamansi, which is lemon. And I usually use this. This is what I usually use. This one here. You know, from any grocery store you can get this one. But because my husband found this is the calamansi fresh. And so I'm gonna use this one instead of using the other lemon that what we can find in the grocery store here. So thankfully I remember that I have this one. This is what it looks like. Look. I'm going to add another teaspoon of lemon. So make it 6. 3 sugar and 6 of this. But if you're using this one guys, use only 5. 3 sugar and 5 of this. But if you're using this kind, it's kinda use 6 of this. 6. Because this one is more watery, we need more consistency, that it's more like liquid, you know. So you have to add, because this one is kind of more sugary now too, because it's sweet, you know, it's calamansi. And I'm just going to put it to 4. I'm going to put this now here. And so yeah. You're not going to leave this one, because you have to constantly, you know, mixing it, because you don't want this burnt and you want this. I'm gonna put timer. I'm gonna start timer 10 minutes. Okay, put it to number 2, because now it's boiling too much. I don't want this get burned. So I put it to number 2. So when you're making this guys, you have to just concentrate, you know, to this one. You don't have to leave this because or else later on you can't use it because it's so hard to use. So I put it into low, you know, right here, guys. I low it. It's right here. 6 minutes. So it's done. For me, it's done. Okay. I'm going to transfer this. This is what it looks like. It's runny, look. So right now, guys, it's still hot. So we're going to wait for this to cool down, and then I will be right back. It's hot. It's hot. I don't know if you can see it's still moving. Hi guys, it is done. It's still a little bit hot, but it's not crazy that it's burnt you. So this is what it looks like. Hold on, I don't know if it focus. Look, this is what it looks like. And so this is a really good consistency for this wax, guys. If you can hear the dog bark, I'm sorry because they are here. So you can do this. Look. Yes, Roxy said, wax my butt. Wax my butt, mama. So this is a good consistency. And so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do wax. I'm going to show you wax my thing. Not my thing, guys, okay? Not my thing. This thing right here, guys. So, guys, because I'm going to wax my, how do you call this? Yung bungot-bungot dito ba? Bungot-bungot. I'm going to wax it so that you have to, because it's kind of watery, it's kind of more like sticky. And shut up, Rox. When you're cooking this thing, I thought it's 10 minutes, and then it's just cooked for like 6 minutes. Yeah, 6 minutes. 6 minutes is only cooked for 6 minutes to get this consistency. But so talking about this paper, guys, this is what it looks like. Roxy, I'm telling you, you're my sound effect galore. So this is the paper. You can get this at Amazon.com. I will put the link down below, the name of this, and then, or I will put the name right here, guys, or I will put the link. I don't really use this. I only use this for cleaning up in the end and in the last part. This is the good size in your armpits, guys. You don't have to cut it. But because I'm waxing in this area, this area here, I'm going to cut it like this. So, oh my god, why may magkakati yung pa ako? Ay makate. So I need a mirror to use, to do waxing. I'm going to focus you guys. I'm sorry about my face. I'm sorry about my face, guys. But I'm focus you. So what I'm gonna do is pick up the thing here. Look, pick up it's just very small amount, guys. And what you're gonna do is use my it's most of my hair, guys, is in the side. So now, because it's kinda drier now, I can do it like this. Oh my god, ang sakit pala. Ang sakit pala. No, because it's getting now drier. Oh my god, ang sakit. I will put you closer, guys. Few hairs in there. So I still have few left, so I'm just gonna keep going, and I'm not gonna focus you because it's so ugly, guys. So I will show you after this. Hindi ko kunin ang dito, guys. Dito lang sa gilid kasi sobrang taas niya. So hindi ko kunin ang dito lang sa gilid. So ipakita ko na sa inyo yung marami ng buhok dito, guys. Ipakita ko yung ano ko sa inyo, guys, ha. So you don't see hair anymore in here, guys, right? So there's no long hair over here and right here. So hindi ko na i-touch dito, guys. Ayaw ko nang i-touch. God bless me. Thank you. What? Anyway, guys, so that's really it, guys, and I hope you can make it yourself. If you want to make this wax to yourself and you don't have to go to waxing salon and stuff like that, you can make it yourself. Especially if you are in the Philippines, there's a lot of lemon. The wax is good for, you know, slowly stop the hair growth, and also it grow really slow, stop the hair growth and makes your skin whitening. It's good for whitening of your skin because it will peel off the dead skin of your skin, the dead skin of your armpits or the dead skin. And I use this for my legs, for my armpits. I don't use this for under there. Oops. No way. It's really, I did it once. It's a mess. Oh, no. I did it once, but only in the top area. It's a mess. You know, it's really a mess. But yeah, so I stopped doing that. Wow. So, nililingin ko na to, guys. O, ganito lang. O, ganito. Kahimos. So anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you will do it yourself. You should try it, you know. If it's failed, cook it again. If you know, just do 6 minutes, and you know, if it's boiling like what you say, if it's boiling like boiling white, lower it down to low, and then wait until the timer 6 minutes finish, and then cool it down, and then, you know, then you can start waxing. So, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helps. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Baking soda, is that a baking soda? No, that's the thing, the one.